Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start an aluminum window business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start an aluminum window business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. The process of producing aluminum windows is much simpler than it appears. The manufacturer cuts the glass to the customer's specifications, wraps it in rubber gasket material, and encases it in aluminum railing to make an aluminum storm window. Many aluminum window businesses operate on a part-time basis out of the owner's home until the business is profitable enough to cover a full-time salary and leased business space. To start an aluminum window business, you must have a basic understanding of mechanics. You're probably a good candidate for an aluminum window startup if you're comfortable doing handyman projects around the house. Your business will be up and running in no time if you have a few basic tools, glass cutting equipment, and a starting inventory of raw materials. To market your products, you must be deliberate in establishing working relationships with contractors, builders, and home remodelers. Contractors have a strong sense of routine. Expect to be called back for future projects if you do a good job. You can also market your products to homeowners directly through local circulars and home improvement shows. One of the advantages of running an aluminum windows business is that you can either outsource some of the service requirements or handle them all yourself. Most aluminum window manufacturers measure window spaces themselves for accuracy. After producing the product, they either install it themselves or contract it out to a third party. An effective business plan is the first step toward profitability and long-term success for your aluminum windows company. A poor business plan is a major blunder for a new aluminum window company. The evidence is overwhelming that your startup will not be able to achieve long-term success without an accurate business plan. As a business owner, this means that business planning is your top priority, not a task that can be put on the back burner. It's a good idea to find out how many competitors you have before starting an aluminum windows business in your community. Is the established competition performing well? It's critical to understand their strengths and weaknesses and consider how you'll compete with those well-established companies. If you want to start an aluminum windows business, you must first speak with someone who is already in the industry. You're being overly optimistic if you believe your local competitors will give you advice. They have no desire to assist you in becoming a better competitor. An entrepreneur who owns an aluminum windows business in a different city, on the other hand, may be willing to share their entrepreneurial wisdom with you if you are not directly competing with them. Many business owners are eager to help new entrepreneurs. It may take some time to find an entrepreneur willing to talk, but the effort is well worth it. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start an aluminum window business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.